All right, so here we are at our final lesson, and the final question is, should the points be connected? Why or why not? And use what you know about the domain and the context of the scenario to explain your answer. So we want to ask ourselves, do we want to include all of the numbers between 10 and 20, all of the numbers between 20 and 30? And what we're doing here is building a fence. So you want to ask yourself, can I include fractions and decimals? Could a fence be 20 and a half feet wide? Would that make sense? Could it be 30.1 feet tall? We're asking ourselves, would these actually make sense in the context of the problem? And I don't know about you, but I think the answer is yes. Yes, fractions make sense. Yes, decimals make sense. We're going to connect this, and everything makes sense because you can have part of a foot in a fence. You could have inches instead of full feet. You could have partial feet. All of this will work. Now, we do honestly extend this all the way down to our x-axis, and you might be telling yourself, that doesn't seem to make sense to me, because how could you possibly have a fence that doesn't have any width? Or why would I ever want to build a fence for my pet turtles that's only 1 foot wide? And that is a very good and thoughtful argument. But overall, when we are trying to connect the points versus not connect the points, when we are building a fence, we want to connect them. And what do I know about the domain that explains this? Well, fences include partial feet, or they can.